The quietest you'll ever find Toks van der Linde is when he's sleeping. It looks like he's in severe pain. Sleeping.
No, not at all.
And not a snorer, eh, Toks? I can sleep with you anytime.
Yeah.
That people should know.
Just want to tell you,
Huh?
you've done an amazing job.
Thank you.
Thanks to you and Ryan and the girls. You guys are
No,
amazing.
great pleasure. And
Looks
it's looking
amazing.
beautiful.
Looks amazing.
And wait, you ain't seen nothing yet. You know, the hard part is waiting for the hair to start growing.
Yeah.
But we would have finished up with just over 1,500 grafts.
Yeah.
And, each one contains 2 to 3 hairs. So it's a decent size session.
It's a massive. It's great.
Yeah. No, and it looks beautiful.
It was like a spa session today. Seriously, very
Yeah.
relaxed. Everyone's
You know,
so
people never
professional.
believe that, like no pain and
Yeah.
discomfort. And often we'll see patients who've been elsewhere and they go, it was the most excruciating pain. There's no need for any pain or discomfort.
No, not at all.
You know, absolutely zero.
Fantastic.
No, brilliant, man.